Hello, everyone, and welcome to our webinar on digital transformation. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's where digital transformation comes in. Digital transformation might seem like a buzzword, but it's much more than that. It's about leveraging technology to optimize your workflows, enhance productivity, and ultimately achieve better business outcomes. The business world is changing faster than ever before. To stay competitive, companies need to adapt and embrace digital tools. In fact, Autodesk and Ipsos's 2023 State of Design and Make report found that nearly 80% of companies believe their future growth is dependent on digital technologies. The workforce is also evolving at an unprecedented pace, making it crucial for businesses to keep up with the latest trends. Digital transformation offers a wide range of benefits, which can be grouped into three main categories: improved efficiency, automating manual processes and streamlining workflows through tools like digital manufacturing, executing systems, MES, and building information modeling, can lead to significant time savings and increased productivity. Increased profitability. Improved efficiency leads to reduced labor costs and faster project completion. Additionally, digital tools help identify and address potential problems early on, minimizing costly rework. Improved quality. By standardizing processes, facilitating better collaboration, and enabling continuous improvement, digital transformation enhances the overall quality of your products and services. A great example of successful digital transformation is Wirecrafters, a producer of wire partition products. By partnering with IMAGINiT, they implemented an automated sales configurator using Autodesk Factory Design. This new system reduced the time spent creating quotes and designs by 40%. Several key technologies are driving digital transformation across industries. Reality capture. This technology creates accurate 3D models of existing spaces, enabling more informed design decisions and improved project planning. Digital twins and BIM. By creating virtual replicas of physical assets, these technologies facilitate better collaboration, clash detection, and lifecycle management. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize design and construction by automating tasks, analyzing data, and improving safety. Sustainability tools. Digital tools are helping companies design and build more sustainable projects, reducing their environmental impact. It's important to remember that technology is only part of the equation. Successful digital transformation requires engaging your workforce at all levels. Involving employees in the process helps them embrace new technologies and contribute to positive outcomes. Improving collaboration. Breaking down silos between departments through digital tools facilitates better communication and teamwork. Attracting and retaining talent. Forward-thinking companies that embrace digital transformation are more appealing to today's tech-savvy workforce. Providing adequate training. Equip your staff with the skills they need to effectively utilize new tools and maximize their benefits. Digital transformation is no longer an option. It's a necessity. By embracing digital technologies, empowering your workforce, and partnering with the right experts, you can unlock new levels of efficiency, profitability, and quality. Read our 4-part series at info.cadalyst.com/imaginit-7513-1. Plus, you can learn more about digital transformation at cadalyst.com. Thank you for joining us, and thank you to IMAGINiT Technologies for working in cooperation with us. Visit IMAGINiT.com.